What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have the mini brand sneakers. I found them at my local Walmart, but anyways guys, let's get to unboxing these. Alrighty guys, so let's see what comes in these. So looks like we got one pair of shoes, accessory, we get low sticker, that's cool. Oh, that is cool. So we got a print sticker. This is the mini brands. These are all the shoes that we can collect. So we get the hats. Wow, these look pretty cool, not gonna lie. They come with the actual shoe boxes too. That's cool. So if we got the print sticker, I wonder if we got the print shoes. I wonder if that gives it away. I guess we'll find out. And then we got all the stickers that you can get. That's cool. So there's only ultra rare and common that you can get. Everything is common besides the ultra rare, like the golden Reeboks. Alright, let's see what we get. Yeah, so we got all prints, so that gives away what we get. That's cool. It's a mini hat. I like that. That rhymed. Mini hat, I like that. Now let's see what the shoes look like. Oh, these are cool. I like these. I may have to get more of these. They even box them like how they come in the package. Look at these. Okay, those are freaking cool. I like these. Look at that, they package them like the regular shoe boxes. Alright. That is cool. So the sticker tells you which one you're gonna get. So that's a cool thing. Alrighty guys, let's move on to the next one. Let's see what we get. Let's see. Ooh, we got Skechers. So we got some Skechers. What kind of Skechers did we get? Let's open the shoes first. Looks like we got some girl Skechers, but that's okay. We got the twinkle toes. That's funny. Okay, that's cute. I feel like I want to make keychains out of these. They would be cool keychains. Alright. There's the shoes. What's the hat or accessory look like? It's a pink hat. Alright, next. Let's see what we get. We got Reebok. That's a cool sticker. And the Reebok logo. Got the collector's guide. Let's see what the hat looks like. Looks like a black hat. Okay. That's cool looking. I like these. These are fun. Let's see what kind of Reeboks we got. Looks like we got the athletic pink ones. Those are cool. Can I get those to shoe up? Maybe? Sweet! These are super cool. I like them. Let's get into the next one. We got Reebok again, but we got a different sticker. We got a sweater with the Reebok logo. And we got, ooh, we got like a, what kind of hat is this? I can't think right now. Let's see. They just say Reebok on them. They don't say the brand of the hat. Alright. Anyways, let's see what kind of shoes we got. It says pump it up. Oh, we got the Reebok pumps. Oh, that is cool. I like the little box styles that they have. Alrighty guys, the last one, let's see what we get. Airwalk. I'm glad that we got all different ones. That's kind of cool. Okay, that color hat I like. I like that. Now for the shoes. Oh wow. These are all white shoes with green soles. Okay. Alright. Alrighty guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below which shoe do you like the best. But anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.